Welcome back. In this video, we'll set up your personal profile, your photo, your name, and a few preferences that follow you everywhere in Email Sendex. Click your avatar in the top right corner to open the user menu and choose Profile. Your profile page has 4 tabs: Edit Profile, Password, Security, and Notifications. We'll cover the rest in the next videos. For now, we're on Edit Profile. At the top of this tab is your profile photo. This is the avatar people see across the platform. Click Upload New Avatar. Choose your image, and Email Sendex shows it straight away. Don't want a photo? Remove Avatar clears it and falls back to your initials. Next, your full name. This is how your name appears throughout Email Sendex, so type it just the way you'd like it shown. You'll notice your email address is shown here, but you can't change it. That's because your email is used for login and account recovery. To update it, just reach out to support. There's also a toggle to receive email notifications about your account. Leave this on so you don't miss anything important. You can fine-tune exactly what arrives on the Notifications tab later. Now set your time zone. It starts on UTC, but pick your own. Email Sendex uses it for scheduling campaigns and for the timestamps on your reports. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. And there's your confirmation. Profile updated successfully. Your new photo and name now show up everywhere across the app. That's your profile setup. Next, let's look at keeping your account secure by changing your password.